What's up, y'all? We are back in my bathroom. It's your girl, Bree Pre, and I'm back with another video. Today I am going to do another quick weave. If you guys haven't seen mine where I do like make it look like I have a half shaved side, I'll put it in the cards. This one is a little bit different, so I thought I would record this one because we are going to be going blonde with no dark roots, just blonde. This is the Bobbi Boss brand, the Miss Origin Designer Mix. It's 3 pieces plus a closure. Hopefully this works out. I was gonna buy another bundle, but this goes into 22. And the only bundles they sold separately were, I think the shortest one was 30 inches. They had 24, but it was straight. And this is a body wave. So I didn't want to get like a straight one because I thought it would look weird. So hopefully 3 bundles is enough. I'll try to make it work. The reason why this one is different, when it comes to blonde hair, you don't want to use the black glue, or at least I don't use the black glue, because if you get it on the hair, or if your tracks aren't close enough, or even if you're doing an invisible part and you don't have a closure and you need to use the glue as, you know, part of the closure, the black glue will show. It doesn't dry clear, it dries black. So I have bought the white one. I just bought a little tiny one because, you know, these last a long time. So you want to use a white glue, and instead of using a black stocking cap, you want to use a nude stocking cap. They do sell 2 other shades of these, so if you're a little bit darker or a little bit lighter, you'll be able to find a shade. So you're gonna need the tan looking ones or nude looking ones, white glue. Because we're doing a closure today, I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued and do the bald cap method. I'm probably not going to show the bald cap method just because I'm pretty sure I have a video of me doing a bald cap method on my channel. If I do have one, I'll put it in the cards. If I don't have one, the next time I lay down a wig or do a quick weave that requires this, I will record it for you guys. But just for the sake of me being crunched on time and not having a lot of memory on my SD card to record, I'm just not going to show that process. So if you're interested in it, like I said, I'll have a video up here. If I don't have a video up here, that means I don't have one of me doing it, but there are plenty of other videos you can find on YouTube as to how to do a bald cap method with the Got to Be Glue freeze spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, you guys are also gonna need scissors. So I use like these regular ones to cut the tracks, but I'm probably gonna use, I can't find my shears. I'm probably gonna use my eyebrow ones to cut for my bald cap method. So I'm gonna do that, and I will see you guys in a second. So I did the bald cap only in the front, and then I didn't cut it in the back because I'm gonna glue like one track right here and then cut it off once everything is dry. So this is kind of just like my process. You can, only because I like glue my closure down first, and obviously this doesn't have to look good. The only part I really care about blending in is the part where I'm gonna put the actual closure. So here she is. You get in here an 18-inch, and it's an 18-inch closure, and the width of this is 4 inches long for like the part. I'm just gonna cut these little clipper things off. So this is how she looks. If you want and you have hair and your hair is braided to the back, you can always sew this down. That's actually what I recommend, but since I am bald head, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this. But I do want to see how I want it, so I'm gonna try to figure out if I want like a middle part, which I don't think I want to do that. I think I want to do something like this on the, I don't know, that could look weird too. I'm just gonna glue around these edges there, and then put some glue on the actual place it will be at. Try not to get it on any hair if that's possible. Over there. Just kind of touch it down so we know where to put the glue for it to adhere to. And glue this down. Or I should say attempt to glue this down. I'm going underneath the hair onto the lace part. Alright, now it's clipped away, and I'm just gonna glue everything like regular. You're not gonna be able to see the back. I'm gonna do the back first, and then I will record me doing the rest.
In my head aren't shining no more. I don't know if we can do this anymore. If there is a time if there is a way I will never stay, never stay. The lights in my head aren't shining no more. I don't know if I can do this anymore. If there is a time if there is a way I will never stay, never stay. I don't wanna keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless. So faceless.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming.
This glue doesn't dry as fast as the glues that I'm used to. The glue that I normally use says like 30 seconds on there. This one, as you guys have been able to see, I've had to use the blow dryer a lot more than I normally do. I normally only have to use the blow dryer if I'm doing invisible parts or near the top of my head, or I'll use it at the end to sort of set everything through. But as you've been seeing, it kind of doesn't stay for as... it doesn't dry and set for as fast as I'm used to. So just keep that in mind when you are using the white glue, that you might just have to use your blow dryer a little bit more, which is kind of annoying because it takes more time, but it will prevent it will prevent tracks from falling out a little bit longer than it would had you not blow dried your hair. So I just thought I would update you guys on the glue.
We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Love. We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
Okay, so I have this whole other bundle left when it came with the 3, and I only have a little bit of space. So what I'm doing is, what I'm going to do right now, this is part of the closure here. As you can see, it's a darker brown. I'm going to glue, this will probably take about 2 tracks, and then glue it around, and then this is probably about 3 more tracks, and then we'll be done. So we're going to do this side, and then I'll flip it over and we'll do the other side, and then we'll brush it out. I am going to go somewhere, so maybe I'll do like the full face and give you guys a full fantasy for the finished result. But just watch how I glue these together. I mean, it's really not anything different, but...
Jungle of love. Of love.
this is the finished look with makeup on, so you guys can get a better look, because I feel like sometimes blonde hair can like wash you out. I feel like it looks really better, at least on me, with makeup. And normally what I do is take a piece here and tuck it, and sometimes I'll even take a piece here and tuck it behind the ear, just to like sort of get it out of my face. And this is all the hair pulled to the front. I love this body wave texture. It's one of my favorite textures. And then I will show you guys. And mind you, this is like basically 2 bundles. So you guys can see sort of how long it falls on me. I will say synthetic hair, especially in the bundles, it's a lot longer than like normal hair. Like this is supposed to be 22 inches. 22 inches normally falls right here on me or a little bit below, but this falls on me like a 24 or 26 would. So I like it for that reason. So the pack was only, I think, $26, something really crazy. The glue was only a couple bucks. The glue was $1.29. So if you're looking for a cute style in a pinch, you could even glue this on a stocking cap and make a wig out of it to last longer. But I just wanted something that I could just wake up and not worry about. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining, educational, insightful, who knows. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.